Live like never before at Cooper Square, New York, where student needs and fine living collide. This beautiful apartment offers non-ensuite rooms with twin beds, armoires, a desk, chair, and dresser. Everything you need to feel at home. What about electricity and water, you ask? Your rent covers that, along with AC and heating. Let the on-site laundry facilities tackle your laundry while you sweat it out at the fitness center. Always stay hydrated with the hydration station placed just for you. Guess what? If you ever need a snack while studying, there are vending machines cradling all your favorites to grab. Let's see, what else do you get? Aha! Wireless internet, 24-hour security, surveillance, and professional live-in staff. You're always connected, always safe. Too much is never enough, which is why your perks include easy access to universities like Hult International Business School, New York University, and more. A few steps and you're there. With bus stops like Cooper Square East and East 6th Street and Astor Place/3 Avenue, plus Astor Place Station just around the corner, your New York City adventures are seamless. Want to live in style? Book your life at Cooper Square via amberstudent.com.